against RBI that day. This time it was little bit in the air and fielder won't succeed. This time it's in the air and Sumit Gadigaonkar straight away playing the beautiful shot. This time Pranay Sharma cuts it hard. Down the wicket once again this time. And he will get another boundary for it. It's one bounce all the way. And this time over the fielder. Congratulations Sumit Gadigaonkar for an excellent 100. Becomes the first cricketer in this tournament to smash a century. This time off the bat. He gets off a styler and what a six.
Looks very interesting at the moment. This time it's cut short, but it is a power play that is put to good use by Singh.
And this time again connection well.
He's been short and is out. Finally Singh trying to play.
And this team requires him. Well, he's gone after it. And not 6, but he will get 4 for it. This time Ankit the boss will like to smash it towards the boundary for a 4 runs. This time once again he's going after it. And the ball is running away towards the boundary and will get another boundary for it. Bisla was trying to play the Dil scoop I will say, but not succeeded.
This time, what a shot there. It's out of the ground. My God. Oh, what a delivery. What a delivery from this young fast bowler. Right in the block hole. Really finishing style. No, I guess that was once again wonderfully bowled by Kamlesh Kuti. Could get only a single. So it looks to be 167 is the total that Air India gets.
Air India and RBI and straight away Reliance One off the mark with a boundary. And what a way to start the proceedings for the batting side. The goes again. And this time looks much comfortable. We'll have to wait for the signal here. Yes, it is. Excellent delivery and another excellent shot. Nobody down there. We'll get another boundary.
Not getting the breakthrough from any angle. So big appeal there. He's out. Finally a wicket.
Coming down the wicket. This time straight to the commentary box. Jitesh Sharma. And yes, it does! Air India, they are out of this GOA Corporate League 2018. And congratulations to Reliance One as they have remained unbeaten.